Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I am here to explain you about Apple Peak store reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and you can see it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with exclusive collection of GPS watches, accessories, technology items, etc. And apart from that, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. They are offering huge discounts on various products. You can also find AirPods Max New 2020, Apple Watch. Apart from that, you can also find iPad Pro 12.9-inch and various other watches, etc. So this was the offering information, guys. Now talking about the payment information, you can see, according to the website details, guys, they have mentioned at the bottom of the web page that the online modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, MX and PayPal. Now let's talk about shipping policy. So let's visit the FAQ section to know more about the shipping policy, as they have not provided any particular shipping policy section. So guys, this link is not clickable and we are not able to find the shipping policy. So this is a negative sign here. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, but of course this is not enough to judge a website's legitimacy. So let's talk about the domain information. And according to our in-depth research, we have found that the domain name was created on 30th of December 2020. It means that this particular site is 1 month and 2 days old. And according to our study, this domain name is registered for 1 year only, guys. So this domain age factor is not enough to judge its legitimacy. So let's explore the entire information before making any decision. So let's take a look at the About Us page of this website. So here is the About Us page, guys, and they have provided limited information. They have not provided the exact information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info. Apart from that, they have also not provided the offerings information. So this is a negative sign. Now talking about contact us page. So this contact us page is not clickable again, as the website is not professionally managed, guys. And they have provided the email address, which is support@applecity.store, and address which seems to be fake. They have provided fake contact details, guys. So this is a red high alert again. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence, as we are not able to find a single social media icon on the website, which is again a bad sign and a negative point about this website. Now talking about return policy, guys, again we are not able to open this link as the site is not professionally managed. This link is again non-clickable and they have not provided the return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund if you have. And talking about Apple Peak store reviews, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet, guys. This is again a red high alert and the biggest negative sign. Now talking about the trust score of this website, guys, so I would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 2%, which is really very bad, and it shows that the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Apart from that, this particular site seems to be not much popular online, because this is a newly launched website, guys, and is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. Apart from that, short life expectancy domain creates a doubt about the legitimacy of this website. And yes, this site has used the content of other websites as well, including the images, so which is one of the biggest characteristics of a scam site. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be suspicious as the site is too new and it doesn't offer you the cancellation option. apart from that, you can't exchange your product because they have not provided any exchange or refund policy as well, and they have provided contact fake address and absence of incomplete or unavailability of company's information, low traffic score, poor design of website led to believers that it is a highly suspicious site and possibly a scam as well. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.